hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make that green smoothie and show a little bit about how I make my main big meal of the day. Let's not forget to subscribe after watching this video, comment, and hit that thumbs up. Let's get into it. Let's do it together, part 2. There we go. This time we peeled that lemon. I did not like the first one. Yeah, the peels are supposed to be good for you, but I just did not like the thickness that came out of it, you know? Yeah, I still have the ginger there. I'm gonna cut it up. I have some celery. I have the power greens. This one is quite different. And I have an apple. I like this mixture better. I'm going to drink this before I eat my only meal of the day. As I already explained earlier on the first part, as I already explained on part 1 of Let's Do It Together, I'm back trying to do intermittent fasting, so I'm trying to help myself out here, you know. I try to drink this just before I eat or an hour before I eat, and so far, believe it or not, I've lost 2 pounds. 2 pounds in 5 days, yes. So let's blend it now. Let's get it blended. I'm going to start first cutting up some vegetables, the fruits. You can cut them up in small pieces depending on what blender you are using. The blender I'm using is very good, so I can cut up in big chunks as I want. So it's up to you. Now you can put everything in the blender. You know, for the power greens, it means they are all mixed up. Chard, kale, spinach. That's why they call it power greens, I guess. You know how it is with these things, the way they name stuff. So, yeah, and then pour 12 ounces of water and you'll be ready to blend it up. Now I'm going to start making some food. I started by putting garlic there and some onion. I sauteed them and then put some kale. And I'll continue to stir it a bit and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Put in some tomatoes. I like those, don't you? They're just so... Yeah, add some black peppers and a little bit of salt. So much in it's just so quick. I love this. And then I had left a shrimp. I'm putting it in there. I cut it up in small pieces. Gonna see how I made this shrimp. I already posted, have a video if you want to watch it. I apologize for not showing you the first step of this, because this was my leftovers. This I had just boiled the potatoes with some scallion, some little bit of salt, pepper, till they are soft. So now I just want to prove them. I put some sour cream in there, it up, and now I put some little butter. I'm gonna put them in the oven, putting some shredded cheese in there, and now I have some basil, and I have some boiled egg. You know how I am, Gino's creative cooking.
You can see the color
Yes.
perfectly.
Ah, so quick.
Show the color on
Guys,
this
for
one.
that salmon too, you can find it on the one of the videos is already posted.